You know, Grim, I feel like humans are the apex predators. We have tanks and lasers. Nothing can stop us.
Really, Jim? Tell that to Australia. In 1932, they declared war on emus and lost.
Emus? Like the big chickens? How do you lose to a bird?
They sent soldiers with Lewis machine guns to hunt them down. But the emus were too fast. They used guerrilla tactics. The birds literally split into small squads to dodge bullets. After wasting 10,000 rounds of ammo, the government gave up.
No way! You're telling me the birds won?
Total victory. The emus still run that town.
I am never going to Australia. The birds are too tactical.